Digital Solutions Suite offers a kind of simulated home environment where people can come and have an idea and experience of what these sort of mainstream digital smart technology can do for them. The sort of mainstream technology that we're showcasing here in the suite are aimed at people who perhaps have some independent living needs, or they might be isolated and need some care arrangements they already have. Depending on a person's needs or desires, we can connect a number of devices to a voice-activated smart speaker, so everything is available at the command, and that's going to help someone with limited mobility for sure. If they struggling with hoovering, for example, you can have a digital smart vacuum little robot to come out and play and clean your floor for you while it's doing that. We can get the kettle boiling, we can have that set up already, so that's working with your morning routines. If you want to say hello, good morning, it can start your day for you already, perhaps putting on relevant lighting so that you're not going to sort of slip up the stairs or something. You might want the radio coming on as well, and all this, you know, can happen for someone without that support. They can do this themselves, which is really empowering.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for everybody to come along, experience how they can use digital, and it's great to be able to have independent living, which is what we at Talbot Council really want for everybody at the end of the day, to be able to live independently. I'd like to say a big thank you to the team for everything they've done here and for inviting me along to experience what is going on, and it's been a welcoming change, which is brilliant.